Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Arjun. Today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful spirograph over here. As you can see the design now, it looks so beautiful too. Okay, guys. So how do we make this spirograph? Okay, so this is how we do it. And how do we make the spirograph in Python? So import turtle as t. Now what we do, we want to go fast because it'll just take so t dot speed 0 t dot, because the color is red, so we put here red. Now t dot, now the pen size is 3, so the pen size will be 3 dot pen size 3. Now there's exactly 24 circles for I in range 24. Now what we do is t dot lt, the angle is 15 degrees. Then t dot circle, which is 100. Okay? So what I would do is, now we know the t dot speed, pen size, and colors. Of course, gonna write red. Now here's where we need to understand the code. From line 5 to line 7, to the last line. So for I range 24, it means it will make it 24 times. So we'll make 24 circles. Then it will do t dot lt 15, means it will go 15 degrees left. Then it will make your circle. And the size is 100. So see here. Oh, import turtle, sorry. I write too fast. Yeah, and as you can see, guys, it makes our spirograph. Now, guys, let's say I change the angle into, let's see, 20. And look at that beautiful spirograph, guys. What happens if I do 10? Oh, that is so beautiful. So for that, we can try 34. Work, please? No. 44 then. Yeah, see? Look at that beautiful spirograph. Look at this beautiful spirograph. This looks so good, guys, right? So, then what happens if we do 1? Oh, what is that angle? Okay, well, was it 10? Now look at this look at that's a beautiful spirograph. This spirograph is so good, guys. Now, guys, let's change the color into a light green, which would look like that color over here. Okay, let's try making sky blue, or you could say light blue. Sky blue. Yeah, see? Now I can write here blue too. Now as you can see, I can write here blue. I can write here anything. So blue, and now let's copy from here. Let's make another spirograph, but this time this color will be red 24 15. Oh, Control C. Now let's go. First makes our beautiful spirograph, then makes a red spirograph. And now look at that. Now, guys, I can now do the same code right here. Green 24, angle would be 20. Okay. And now look at these 3 beautiful spirographs. Okay, guys? Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to make a spirograph in Python using Turtle. I hope you like it, and bye. You can try it out too. And if you did it correctly, show me some other patterns if you guys did it too. So bye.